cash flow is king. If you're a real estate investor, then chances are you agree with this statement. The main reason you put your hard-earned money into properties is so that you can make money. Hopefully a lot of it. But let's take a step back and ask ourselves, what is cash flow? Because the truth is, all of us have different goals, expectations, and perspectives when it comes to making money. But there tends to be 3 popular cash flow strategies among investors. These include putting less money down and keeping more money in your pocket, making monthly income, and using cash-out refinancing to gain the most leverage. All 3 of these cash flow strategies share 2 common similarities. Using the BRRRR method, as in buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. And buying under-market properties, aka discounted properties, aka cheaper properties. Today, let's look closer at the second cash flow strategy, making monthly income. This is probably the most common strategy among investors, including those like Jane. They like to create a consistent monthly income to replace a full-time job, supplement their lifestyle, or create a nest egg for their future. Jane and other monthly income-driven investors don't mind putting some money down at closing. And on top of using the BRRRR method and buying under-market properties, they tend to focus on 3 key strategies to ensure they make good monthly income. What are these strategies? Well, let's take a look. First, they like to focus on maintaining a healthy credit score. Because the higher your credit, the better your rates. Which means you pay less money to the banks and keep more money in your pocket every month. Second, they choose investor-friendly lenders who offer them options. We're not just talking about 1 or 2 options, but many. More options means better financing. And better financing means, yet again, less money to the bank and more money in your pocket. Third, Jane and investors like her tend to invest in higher quality properties. That means they put some work into them, so they're, well, nicer. Nicer properties tend to draw tenants who treat the property, well, nicer. They're more respectful and cause less damage than tenants who rent lower quality properties. Better yet, when a property looks nicer, it tends to be more desirable. That means demand increases and you can charge a higher rent. And higher rent means higher cash flow. So there you have it. If you're looking to generate solid, consistent monthly income, then this would be a great strategy for you. Ready to chat? Great. Give our team a call. We're excited to set you on a path that makes you the kind of money you need to live the life you want. Investor Real Estate Loans. Good loans, good people, good business.